Tribe Union Secretary Organization Takhilambam Parijat today asserted that India government has been systematically deepening the divide between hill and valley regions of Manipur by fanning sentiments of hatred and alienation. He made the statement while addressing a press conference held at Thangjung Hall of Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media persons, Parijat urged the 3 MPs from Manipur to raise 3 critical questions in the upcoming parliament session scheduled to begin on January 28 and possibly lead to concrete action on long-standing issues faced by the state. He said that since 1963, under the Manipur Union Territory Act, land division between hill and valley areas was intended to be maintained at 50-50 ratio. However, he alleged that the situation drastically changed after the 27th Amendment under Northeastern Recognition Framework in 1971, following the introduction of Article 371C of the Constitution. He further stated that under Article 371C, Manipur's total land area came to be categorized with 92% falling under hill areas and only 8% under the valley, creating a severe imbalance. He said this disparity has resulted in gradual alienation of Meitei community from the hill regions. He further criticized the government for reaffirming the provisions of Article 371C in 2008 instead of correcting what he termed as a historical injustice. Furthermore, Meitei Tribe Union urged Manipur's MPs to raise these issues in Parliament in the interest of the people and called upon all political parties to take responsibility and act decisively to address the growing divide between hill and valley regions of the state.
Masigi matang su MP ohuna chin bion hari housing Manipur da khwai sawa sinara ba madi akogi Manipur da mitop samsila pui matang asini mitop sa pui matang da Bharat Sarkar na makoi gi oiba Bharat ki Home Minister Prime Minister na akogi India asi mitop sing dharma salam heloi haru mitop sing se dictate tawani delete tawani report tawani yam kan lawi ado Manipur di Myanmar saksa leba mitop sing se masigi akoi dictate tawa delete tawa report tawa se amatasu laite ado mitop samapasi aikoigi Manipur di Bharuki lama moina nokta bodamna hozimuzima satellite map de yengba anabo ko mayam laisilappa sidadi Manipur gi layo khiam sita Bharat Sarkar na nam ba ki ba mata phawum leibase sigi akiba singa sisu akoi MP singa parliament da mukat piraga NRC gi makhada mitop khanto kadra natragana foreigner aid masimba atai india gi level action makhada mitop khanto kadra Manipur gi dictate to debut thok se kari tawuda gi habise basi am seriously akoi parliament da koi MP hunga ukhat piu hai basini